We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee, her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some cheesy broccoli, chicken, and rice casserole. Yes, just in time for the holidays. And here are our ingredients. Okay, today I'm going to show y'all that we are using the chicken tenders. I find the chicken tenders are very tender and juicy and full of flavor, so I decided to use those. But if you want to, you can use the regular chicken breast. Okay, y'all, let's get to making our cheesy broccoli, chicken, and rice casserole. Okay, in this bowl we are seasoning up our chicken tenders. We don't want to add too much salt. Remember, the cream of chicken has salt in it, so just use very little seasoned salt. And here we're adding some black pepper, garlic powder, and some onion powder. Here we're mixing in all our seasonings, and then we're going to the next step. In this skillet I have melted 2 tablespoons of butter. Here I'm placing our chicken tenders into our skillet. I'm cooking these on maybe a medium heat or maybe a little higher, but we don't want to rush these chicken tenders. We want them to cook evenly and make sure they are completely done. Here I'm turning over our chicken tenders. I've cooked these chicken tenders for like 6 minutes on this side, and so I'm flipping them over. I'm going to cook these for another 6 to 7 minutes to make sure they are fully cooked, because we want them done through and through. Okay, here my rice is all finished and it's done. And so what I do is I take a fork and fluff through my rice to make sure it's not so thick and chunky. Time to time, go back and check on your chicken to make sure it's not cooking too fast. Now we're preparing our broccoli. I am using 2 packages of broccoli. If you prefer, you can use only 1, but I love lots of broccoli, so I'm using 2 packages on today. And I'm going to cook these until they are the desired tenderness that I want. Okay, I'm checking on our chicken again. That it has been cooking for another like 7 minutes, and I'm checking to make sure they are completely done. I use a knife just to cut through one, just to see if it's done, and it is completely done. Here I'm showing y'all the way it should look. Okay, there should be no pink showing. Here we're removing our chicken tenders and we're going to set them aside to rest. These chicken tenders are so moist and delicious. You can, if you wasn't making this casserole, just cook these and add a vegetable or 2 to these chicken tenders and make a meal, y'all. They are so delicious. Here I have let our chicken tenders cool for a little bit, and now I'm chopping them up and preparing them to go into our casserole. Okay, our broccoli is at the texture that I want. If you like yours more crunchier, just steam it in the microwave or just let it cook for just a couple of minutes. This is the texture that I prefer. I like mine slightly tender, but make this broccoli the way you like yours. Here I have removed our broccoli from the heat. We're going to drain them and go to the next step. In this big bowl, we're adding our rice, broccoli. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Now we're adding our cream of chicken soup. And then our chicken. Here I'm showing y'all how I do mine. Some people like chunks of broccoli in their casserole. I like mine all together and creamy. But you make this recipe yours. You can wait and put your broccoli. Go ahead and add your rice, chicken, and cheese, and your cream of chicken soup and everything in there, and then add your broccoli last so you can have chunks in yours. But this is the way I prefer mine. Like I always say, make this recipe yours. Okay? Here I decided to use one more can of cream of chicken soup. So this is 3 cans that I'm using in mine. Because like I say, I love the creaminess and the cheesiness of this casserole. And so I'm adding one more can. Okay, we're going to mix this together. And now we're going to add our cheese. As I was mixing this, I can tell this will be really thick. And so what I decided to do is add some chicken broth to this. This will make it really creamy. I'm adding 1 cup of chicken broth. We're going to give this another stir, and then we're going to place it in our baking pan. Here I'm spraying down my dish with some canola spray. This helps your casserole to be removed from your dish more easily. Plus it helps your dish to be more easier to clean. Here we're placing our mixture into our casserole dish. And we're going to smooth this down as much as we can. And now we're adding our cheese. We're going to place this in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. And then we're going to remove it and let it cool for another 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, our casserole is all ready. It has baked for 15 minutes. As y'all can see, it's still sizzling. This is such a delicious recipe. This will be great for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any holidays, or just if you just want to cook it. It will be good for any meal. And I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Like I said, I'm going to let it sit for another 10 minutes, and then we're going to be back with the final result. We're going to serve our casserole with some brown and serve rolls. What I have done, I have melted some butter in the microwave, and now I'm brushing them down, and I'm going to brown and serve those along with our casserole. And so I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. We are ready to serve up this cheesy broccoli, chicken, and rice casserole. Y'all, this casserole is so delicious. My family really enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Oh, yes, y'all, our holiday recipes are coming soon. And so y'all be looking for that notification, okay? As always, y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!